Welcome to preparenext.com. We offer you job details and today we are going to list out 13 top best paying part-time jobs. Working part-time means you work for a fixed number of hours each day or week. Part-time jobs are ideal for people who prefer a work-life balance or cannot commit into a full-time job. You can make money online in several ways and here are the top picks for you, the best part-time jobs for workers seeking part-time work. At number 1, we have Internet Designer. Part-time web designers are high on demand among young and emerging companies. The position involves creating looks and layouts of websites in addition to maintaining and updating them. It requires knowledge of graphic design and software programming. At number 2, we have got content creator or copywriters. Part-time content writing could be a great option for you if you're talented at writing. The responsibilities of this job, including writing technical documentation, updating the company's website, and composing marketing content. The copywriter writes the content for web pages, books, magazines, TV, and movie scripts. At number 3, we have got artist or graphic designer. An illustrator or a graphic designer utilize a program like Adobe Photoshop to create graphics. A graphic designer creates logo, font, web designs, email templates, and virtually any form of custom advertising. Some designers work full time for one company, but for those who are flexible about their schedules, freelance design has great earning potential. At number 4, we have got an accountant. Increasingly, startups are requesting part-time accountants to avoid having to hire a full-time bookkeeper. An important part of an accountant's duty includes managing petty cash and coordinating bank and vendor activities. Accountants are not only responsible for monitoring financial operations daily, but also ensuring an organization's financial system are operating legal and efficiently. At number 5, we have got Administrator of Networking and Computer. Computer and networking systems administrators are responsible for setting up and supporting an organization's internal networks and internet systems. They ensure that everyone is connected efficiently so they can work online. A network and computer systems administrator is also responsible for maintaining network security. Typically, this position requires a degree in computer science or information technology. At number 6, we have got research analysts. Research analysts are responsible for understanding what people want, what they buy, and what they will pay for. The analysts share what they learn from their clients so they can better understand their consumers. At number 7, we have got home tutor. Providing school tuition and college bound students from home is a relatively easy way to learn a decent income. To establish yourself as a creditable home tutor, you must possess the right academic qualification. At number 8, we have got working freelance. As freelancers, you set your rates and ask for your skill and talent your product. A freelancer can be a designer, a photographer, a writer, a consultant. Clients are responsible for building their client base and handling payments. At number 9, trainer in a gym. Help clients lose weight, compete in fitness competitions, and gain weight. You should give your clients exercise that are safe and reasonable. Develop a training program based on the client's goal. Provide training services for individuals or groups. At number 10, we have got the nanny. The nanny is in charge of feeding, bathing, and putting the children to the bed, as well as organizing activities, helping with homework, and supervising playtime. They may be even responsible for driving children to their home to school. At number 11, we have got tour guide. Providing clients with true company specific information, maintain a positive and enthusiastic attitude towards the tourist to ensure an outstanding customer experience. Provide information on the tour sites. In some tours, you will be driving a bus or another special vehicle. If so, you will need a license. At number 12, we have got photographer. It is a good job for someone who needs a flexible schedule as you'll often work at events on weekends and nights and you can ask local photographer if there is any assistant if you have a DSLR and the ability to capture memorable moments. You can also start a photography business by taking pictures of your friends for special events or professional headshots. At number 13, we have got Social Media Manager. Your social media skills will be very useful to startup and local businesses. Social media managers are responsible for managing the social interaction between business and the customers. A few of the duties include structuring digital campaigns around the building community online, analyzing engagement data, and identifying trends in customer interactions. Many of these jobs can be also done remotely, which is preferred for students who are multitaskers. Stay tuned for upcoming updates. Preparenext.com. Thank you.